Hello everyone. In my today's video, I am going to tell you about the hard C sound and the soft C sound. When we talk about the hard C sound, it is pronounced as k, k. This is the sound which the kids are initially taught in the school, like cat, cake, cow, candle. In the soft C sound, the sound made by C is, C says S, like cell, centipede, city. While explaining to kids, we can always tell them that as we can see, soft starts with S, so the soft C sound is S sound and hard C sound is K sound. Now, if you notice that here the C is followed by E, again C is followed by E, here it is followed by I. So whenever C is followed by E, I or Y, it is pronounced as S. The sound is S. So whenever C is followed by E, I and Y, the sound is S, S sound. In this word, circle, the C is repeated twice. So here the first C is followed by I. So the sound it makes is S sound, circle, circle. And here the C is followed by L. So the sound made is K sound, circle, circle. Again another example, cycle. Here it is followed by Y, so the sound is soft sound. And here it is followed by L, so hard sound, K sound. Cycle. There's also two exceptions to it. The first one is when C is followed by H. The sound is ch, ch. So for example, chair, check. Now if you look at the word check, here CH is making the ch sound, and when the C is followed by K, it is making the K sound. So the second exception is CK. So whenever the C is followed by H, it makes the ch sound, and it is followed by K, it makes the K sound. So I hope it is clear to you now the difference between the hard C sound and the soft C sound. When it is hard C, it is pronounced as K. When it is soft C, it is pronounced as S. And every time when C is followed by E, I and Y, it makes the sound. I hope this has made it clear when to pronounce C as K and when to pronounce C as S. If you have liked the video, please do subscribe to my channel, and for other video links, please see the description box. Thank you.